Eebbifamoon keenya baala figeessanii guyyaan har'aa kuni gammachuu keessanii. Congratulations.
My name is Ajaiba. My father name is Nasir. My mother name is Zainaba. My sister name is Shumba. My brother name is Obsina. I am 6 years old. Sense organs in the uses: eye to see, ear to ear, nose to smell, hand to taste, hand to touch.
What is your name?
My name is Nanas.
What is your school name?
My school name is Viyapar Academy.
Can you tell me the opposite of what is?
Yes, I can.
What is the opposite of good?
The opposite of good is bad.
What is the opposite of happy?
The opposite of happy is sad.
What is the opposite of small?
The opposite of small is big.
What is the opposite of front?
The opposite of front is back.
What is the opposite of under?
The opposite of under is above.
What is the opposite of input?
The opposite of input is output.
What is the opposite of tall?
The opposite of tall is short.
What is the opposite of up?
The opposite of up is down.
What is the opposite of soft?
The opposite of soft is hard.
What is the opposite of open?
The opposite of open is down.
What is the opposite of open?
The opposite of open is down.
Close. What is the opposite of open?
The opposite of open is closed.
What is the opposite of high?
The opposite of high is low.
What is the opposite of day?
The opposite of day is night.
What is the opposite of inside?
The opposite of inside is outside.
One, thank you for attention. One dhageeffatanii guddaa galatooma. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
ما اسمه؟
اسمي فاروق.
ما اسم أبوك؟
اسم أبي مامية.
ما اسم أمك؟
اسم أمي نايمة.
كم عمري؟
عمري 10 سنوات.
أنت طالب؟
نعم أنا طالب.
أين تدرس؟
أدرس في أكاديمية بيافبر.
كم أركان الإسلام؟
أركان الإسلام 5.
الأول
شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمدا رسول الله.
الثاني
إقام الصلاة.
الثاني
إيتاء الزكاة.
الرابع
صوم رمضان.
الخامس
حج بيت الله الحرام لمن استطاع إليه سبيلا.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. مقام كين.
Maqaan koo Najaat.
Mana barumsaa kamitti baratta?
Mana barumsa Biyyaabaritti baradha.
Saayinsii naannoo keessaa waan tokko tokko naa deebisuu dandeettaa? Akaakuun biqilootaa bakka meeqatti qoodama?
2tti qoodama.
Isaanis
Fuduraa fi kuduraa.
fuduraalee kan ta'an 3 naayim.
Burtukaana, loomii, maangoo.
Kuduraalee kan ta'an 3 naayim.
Raafuu, qaaraa, kaarotii.
Geejjibni iddoo meeqatti qoodama?
2tti qoodama.
Isaanis
Geejjiba aadaatii fi geejjiba ammayyaa.
geejjiba aadaa 3 naayim.
Farda, harree, gaala.
Geejjiba ammayyaa 3 naayim.
Konkolaataa, xiyyaa, doonii. Waan nu
Dhageeffattaniif guddaa galatooma.
What class are you?
I am KG student.
What is your school name?
My school name is Biyafbar Academy.
Where were you born?
I was born in Shahyamane in 2009.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and 2 sisters.
Whom do you love most from your family?
I love my mommy and daddy very much.
Whom do you appreciate from this story?
I am appreciate Raya Bancha.
What do you like from food?
I like any kind of food without uncle. I like any kind of food without porridge.
What do you like from drink?
I like any kind of drink without uncle in the bira.
What do you like to play football in your free time?
I like to play football in my free time.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is spoken English.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
Thank you, you are a nice boy.
Thank you, goodbye.
Goodbye, see you again.
Thank you for attention.
I love India Academy.
What grade are you in?
I am grade 2 student.
How many students are there in your school?
There are 350 students in our school.
How many male students are there in your school?
There are 156 male students in our school.
How many female students are there in your school?
There are 194 female students.
Who opened the school door?
School guard.
Why do you come to school?
To learn.
When I go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock 30 minutes.
How is learning?
It is nice.
What time does class beginning?
8 o'clock 30 minutes.
What is the longest book you have read?
English book.
What much time does class beginning?
I spend 7 o'clock.
Who will your examination be?
Our examination program will be Monday. Can ask question?
Yes.
Can you write name in English?
Yes, I can write your name in English.
Who will teach English? English.
My teacher English is Makia.
Which school do you attend?
Attending Yafar Academy.
When did you start school?
I started 2030 Ethiopian calendar.
What is activity after school?
I help my parents. I play and I study.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Takas kadite tanas ya panam bajaji ognan garaji cacamna ognan dodoke cacamna garaji baranna golle